This 3-ingredient refined sugar-free dessert is inspired by a very popular Chinese dessert which blends the juicy sweetness of watermelon with silky sago pearls and coconut milk to make this indulgent dessert perfect for the summer heat. So let's get started with the recipe. Boil half a cup of sago with 2 cups of water until transparent. Empty 1 400 ml can of coconut milk into a bowl and remove 100 ml from this. Then add it to a blender. To the blender, also add in 1 cup of chopped watermelon. Blend this until it's completely smooth. If you're not too happy with the light color of the watermelon and coconut milk, add in 1 drop of red food coloring. Blend and leave aside. Strain out the liquid from the boiled sago, then rinse this in cold water to remove any excess starch. Then transfer this into a bowl and allow it to cool completely. Now it's time to layer these. First, I'm going to start by adding some chopped watermelon into my dessert bowls. Then I'm going to add in 1 ladle of sago, followed by a ladle of coconut milk, and this is plain coconut milk. Then add in the blended mix of coconut milk and watermelon over this. Finish off with more chopped watermelon. And for garnish, you can use some chopped mint. This is optional, but it does give the dessert a fresh, vibrant fragrance. Place this in a refrigerator to set for about 1 hour before serving. 3 ingredients, no refined sugar, a healthy dessert made in a few minutes without much effort. Perfect, isn't it? Special thanks for assisting in finding a name for my dessert to the following people on Instagram. Remember, you can connect with me on any of my social media platforms. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're going to try this recipe. Hoping to see you in the next vlog. Happy cooking!